This is Alard item Y5711, an AccuRate Schenck Series 600 feeder, feed auger, seasoning feed system for spices or flavorings, or even any kind of crystal or powder preservative product, any of that sort of thing. As you can see, it has a food grade rubber lined hopper and an auger feed system. And again, this is generally used for feeding granular product into a tumble mixer or a seasoning drum, or anywhere you need to meter granular seasoning, or, as I'd mentioned, preservative or anything like that. We are going to show this running. Something you should note is that this rubberized hopper is built so as to move and flex and shake during operation to keep the product from bridging, so that it goes through continuously and smoothly. So when we turn this on and you see it kind of shaking around, it's not because there's something wrong with it. That is a feature and not a bug. You will notice here that it has the factory control box with controls for different speeds. It has 3 speed settings for 10 RPM, 120 RPM, or 250 RPM. This just in from Galactic headquarters. The 3 speed settings are 31 pounds per hour, 468 pounds an hour, or 861 pounds per hour. How do you like those apples? Just to make sure we give this maximum attention and complexity here, the pound per hour rating is based on the density of the product, and thus depends as to whether you're feeding feathers or ball bearings, so to speak.
I believe I used salt flavor.
Yeah, that was based on salt for the pound per hour ratings I just read. Before we turn this on, I should also point out, because I haven't shown it heretofore, here's the stainless steel hopper that goes on top of this baby. And we have it off just so you can see the business end working. So that hopper sits on here. Okay. All right, we're going to turn this on for you so you can see what it does in operation. So go ahead and fire that baby up. So as you can see, the screw auger goes round and round. The hopper, which is soft and flexible, vibrates. There are thumpers under there on each side to keep the product loose and flowing. So this is the test product. We are going to run through the feeder here just to give you an example, show you the machine in operation. So go ahead and start it right up. Here we are. It shakes the product down and feeds it through the tube. Pretty straightforward stuff. So before we sign off here, we are going to put that feed hopper on top just so you can see it all fully assembled. But we were going to run out of product here in a second, but wanted to give you one more walk around this machine. And just to be clear, it does include the stand with casters that it's sitting on. Or if you don't want that, fine, we will disappear it. So here's the machine fully assembled with a hopper on the top. You will notice that it has this top cover that goes with it with the handle. It's easy to lift off. I can just show this down in here. I guess you can see we've already covered that pretty well, but here's the inside of the hopper. And there you have it. On the stand, the hopper is a 79-inch in-feed height. Just for an interesting detail, you can get all those details from us. Just give us a call again at 315-589-4511. This is our Alard item Y5711, an AccuRate Schenck 600 series. Bulk solids, metering feeder, auger feeder, screw feeder for seasonings, spices, granular preservatives, what have you. Available in stock at Alard Equipment in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition. Available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.